friend has this bag, and the other day it ripped. It's not exactly well made, but I told them I'd fix it, so I'll do a little surgery. I've got some black here. It's gonna be like a faux leather as part of it, and then for the back, for the gray, I'm gonna replace it with a jean instead, because all I have is white canvas, and white would get really dirty, so we'll see how it goes. I've got all the pieces cut out. These two are going to be the top piece, kind of like this, the part that broke. And then you can see the front now, no longer has the logo on it. Crease, but that'll go away. And then the back will be the jean. Finished it. So here it is. So you can see the fronts now, that faux leather, and the top as well here. And then the back, it's jean, and then top as well. And tighten it up.